Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and I've been on this particular thing foray of trying to work on what you can do in trying to prevent and reverse the disease. What you can do means I want to address all the people around who are looking for optimizing health and not to get into some this kind of disease who are trying their best to keep that disc from ease separately. So this is intended for everyone. See, what happens here is you have got this environmental and genetic factors which play a factor in the development of disease. So living a healthy lifestyle now can improve the well-being for years and come. So I want you people to understand what are the things which you can work it out by your own. Simply trying to talk about eating a healthy lifestyle, trying to take heart healthy diet consisting of fruit, vegetables, nuts and fish. We are talking about something like abstaining from the tobacco, trying to maintain a proper weight and all. Apart from this, we need some more things which can be. I'm focusing on some things. This is a simple thing which we try to advise for all hypertension patients, but I need to. I am trying you to take a step further. How you can avoid that chronic neurological disorders. I believe neurological diseases are one of the things which are slowly increasing, and I had seen people walking early into Parkinsonism, Alzheimer's, and whatnot. Neurodegenerative disease is a big issue. I do come across people having a short-term memory, having a lot of problems with comes to the cognition and all that as early as in the fifth decade itself. So I want all of you to understand few things. I understand. I agree that the neurological diseases are not preventable, but there are steps you can take to promote the overall brain health, which may slow or delay the progression of certain neurological diseases. Keeping your brain active by completing puzzles, trying to do some word games or reading can be beneficial. This is a simple hack. It's not a very big thing as such. Everyone should get involved. I have been talking about how to work it out. We work with a lot of people who used to have something like problems post paralysis. We work with a lot of hyperbaric oxygen with all these people. There is a challenging things and all that. So what I want you to understand, I have been worked in a thing called neuroplasticity for the autism and other stuffs. I do believe everyone has got the potential, and you need to work it out. Start doing some activity with the left hand. If you are a right-handed person, if you start doing some activity, if you can use your eating your food with the left hand, these are going to create some potential neurological neuroplasticity, and that will definitely help you. Apart from that, eating healthy diet, staying socially active, frequently exercising, and getting enough sleep. That's the most important thing. You need to understand that this enough sleep can help you keep your mind sharp. So this is one of the things which I certainly would like to tell you. Need to work on all these stuffs to keep that particular all exercise and all that. This is one thing which helps in taking out a lot of your this particular uh, some issues which I always believe that it is not but just by keeping your cholesterol level in check by definitely it helps, but you need to have some other things also to see that you don't get into some nasty problems and all that. These are the some advices which we believe, and for this particular problem, which is a kind of thing. If you can prevent this particular thing, try to stay, try to see that these things don't happen with you. Try to follow this particular stuffs. Thank you.